How are you? I hope how many questions given in the second video you have completed. If not completed, please I request you please complete your homework and questions. How many questions given by the teacher? And now this is my third video. In this video, going to tell how we can solve the limits based on factorization method, rationalization methods, and form of x power n minus a power m upon x power n minus a power n. Now, first example here. Limit x tends to minus 1, x square minus 1 by x minus plus 1. Clear? Now, this example here. In this example, if we will put the value direct x is equal to minus 1, then 0 by 0 form will come. A 0 by 0 form is this is an indeterminate form. After that, we can factorize here x tends to minus 1, then x plus 1, x minus 1 upon here x plus 1. Cancel here. In the place of x, we can put minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Very simple. In class 9, you have studied about the factor. If you forgot everything, please remind once more. Because in this limit, we have to use the factor formula a square minus b square aq plus bq. So many formula here. Then this is a first example. Now, second example is limit x tends to 2 here 7x square minus 11x minus 6 whole upon here 3x square minus x minus 10. Second example here. In this example, if we will put the value x is equal to 2 here, then 0 by 0 form will come. You can check also. I'm not going to check here. Then first of all factorize numerator and denominator. Then here 7x square minus 11x minus 6. How we can do the factor? Then here 7 into 6 is equal to what? 42. 7 into 3 into 2 is equal to, we can break here 7 into 14. 14 into 3 is equal to also 42. 14 minus 3, 11 will come. It means 7x square minus 14x plus here 3x minus 6. 7x common, x minus 2 plus 3 common, x minus 2 and x minus 2 here 7x plus 3. Clear? And 3x square minus x minus 10. 3x square minus x minus 10 means 36 into 5. 3x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 10. 3x common, x minus 2, 5, x minus 2. X minus 2 here 3x plus 5. Clear? It means in the place of numerator we will put the value x minus 2 here and 7x plus 3 whole upon. In the place of denominator x minus 2 and 3x plus 5 here. Are you understanding? Okay. Then x minus 2 will be cancelled by x minus 2. After that we can put the value x is equal to 2. 2 plus 3 upon 3 into 2 plus 5 is equal to what? 14 plus 3 upon 6 plus 5 is equal to 7 by 11. Now this is example number 2. Understood? This is third example here. When we put the value x is equal to direct substitution methods 2 minus 2 0 and root 2 minus root 2 0. 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form means this is indeterminate form. That's why we can use the factor methods, rationalizing and so many others depend on you here. Now here, if multiply by conjugate of denominators in both numerator and denominator, then limit x tends to 2 here, x minus 2 into x plus under root 2 whole upon x minus 2 into under root x plus under root 2. Understood? Is equal to x tends to 2 here, x minus 2 under root x plus under root 2 upon a minus b and a plus b form. Means a minus b into a plus b is equal to what? A square minus b square. Square of a under root x means what? X Square of under root 2 means only 2. X minus 2 cancel by x minus 2. After that we can put the value x tends to 2 means x is equal to 2 here. Under root 2 plus under root 2 is equal to 2 under root 2. Now this is third example. Here we can factorize also here. It is not compulsory to rationalize here. Everything depends on you. Whatever formula you have, whatever rules you want to apply here, you can apply. It is not foundation, not compulsory. How many formula, how many rules I am going to apply, same rules you will apply. According to question you can solve here. Then example number 4 here. Limit x tends to 0 here. Under root 1 plus x minus 1 upon x. Rationalizing the numerator means x tends to 0 multiply by conjugate of numerator in both numerator and denominator. It means 1 plus x minus 1 into under root 1 plus x plus 1 whole upon x into under root 1 plus x plus 1 is equal to limit x tends to 0 a minus b a plus b is equal to what? A square minus b square and x under root 1 plus x plus 1 plus 1 cancel by minus 1 is equal to x tends to 0 x upon x under root 1 plus x plus 1 cancel by this one. After that we can put the value x is equal to 0 here. 1 by under root 1 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2. Now this is a value of this example. Understood? It is very simple. Now this example based on this formula here, limit x tends to a, x power m minus a power m upon x power n minus a power n. Here x is variable, a constant. Here also x, both are variable here and constant. Only difference of power. X power m in numerator, in denominator x power m is equal to m by n into a power m minus n. Now this is very important formula here. This formula you can write. Suppose here limit x tends to a and x power n minus a power n upon x minus a. With the help of this formula we can write all the value, all the formula. Then it is not important, not compulsory how many types, how many forms are there. He will learn all the formula of different types of question. No, it is not compulsory. Now going to write answer of this question. X power n minus a power n. Here x power 1 minus a power 1. In numerator power of n. Numerator 1 is power of x. Then n by 1 into a power n minus 1 means a power numerator minus denominator is equal to what? N into a power n minus 1. You can note down this formula. This is important for you. Only please you have to write down only this formula. With the help of this formula we can write all the answer, all the formula. How many formula given this form? And so here x tends to 1, x power n minus 1 upon x minus 1. X variable number, 1 constant number is equal to, very simple. Power of x is n. Power of x is 1 in numerator, 1 into 1 power n minus 1, that is n into 1 power something means 1 power everything except the infinite is only 1 is equal to n. Now this is a example number 5. Clear? Now see example number 6 here. Limit x tends to 2 x power 10 minus, these numbers should be in this form. Power is same only here. It means write here 2 only. A power is same, both power are same. Upon x power 5, 32 means write same numbers here. 2 power is same, both are power same. Otherwise we can apply the formula. After that, limit x tends to a, x power n minus x power n minus a power n upon x minus a, x power n minus a power m upon x power n minus a power n is equal to what? This by this, 10 by 5 into 2 power 10 minus 5. 2 into 2 power is equal to what? 5. Clear? After that, we can open the bracket depend on you here. Then 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. Here also 8 is equal to 64. Now this example 6. Understood? Now this is next example here. Limit x tends to minus a. Both are very different. A minus and minus a both are different here. A minus means in the place of we can suppose we can put x is equal to a minus h. Minus a means here in the place of x we can put minus a. Then here limit x tends to minus a and x power 9. We have formula here. Limit x tends to a, x power m minus a power m upon here x minus a. Clear? It means between this sign should be minus, not a plus. But here plus sign is there. Then minus a power 9 whole upon x minus a is equal to 9. Minus a power odd number, minus I will come, minus into plus a power 9. Here minus into minus, plus means plus a should become. Then in the place of plus a power 9 we can write minus a power 9. Here in the place of plus a we can write minus a. Now find all the possible value of a. After solving this one, find all the possible value of a. Then first of all going to put the symbol for the formula here. What is formula of this one? M by n, 9 by 1 into minus a power 9 minus 1 is equal to 9. 9 cancelled by this 9 and minus a power 8 is equal to 1 here. Minus power even number, a power 8 is equal to 1. Then a power 4 whole square is equal to 1. A power 4 is equal to 1. A square whole square is equal to 1. A square is equal to 1. A is equal to plus minus 1. Clear? Now this is value of example number 7. Understood? Now this question's type of x tends to infinite. X tends means x tends to infinite. Clear? Then we have two methods. One method says let x tends to 1 by y in whole the function. Whole the function means even here also. Therefore limit here y tends to 1 by x here. It means y tends to 1 by infinity. Y tends to is equal to what? 1 by infinity is equal to 0. When we put x tends to 1 by y, then in the place of y tends to 0 will come here. It means here we can put here. Therefore, limit y tends to 0 and 3 into x is equal to 1 by y. It means y cube plus x is equal to 1 by y means y square minus 1 upon 1 by y square minus 1 by y plus 7. Very simple. What you have to do? Well, in the place of x we can put 1 by y. According to questions we have to check the limit also here in the form of y. Y tends to 0 will come. After that, limit y tends to 0. Taking LCM, y cube 3 plus here y minus and here y cube whole upon here y square 1 minus y plus 7 y square. After that, limit y tends to 0, y square cancelled by this y, then 3 plus y minus y cube whole upon what? Y into 1 minus y and 7 y square. Now we put y is equal to 0 here. 3 plus 0 minus 0 square cube here upon 0, 1 minus 0 plus 0 also here. 0 to something 0. It means 3 by 0. 3 by 0 is equal to what? Infinite. This value will come infinite. Okay, now I'm going to give last example. If limit n tends to infinite, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash n upon here, suppose n square. Clear? Then before telling this one, I'd like to tell some other formula based on natural numbers. Then here, if 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash n means this is a sum of all the natural numbers. We can write here sum is summation sigma n is equal to n plus 1 upon 2. We have formula. And here 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dash n square means sum of square of all the natural numbers, that is sigma n square is equal to n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6 here. Clear? And here 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dash n cube is equal to what? Sigma n cube, that is sigma n whole square means n plus 1 upon 2 whole square, that is n square n plus 1 whole square upon 4. When we will study ABGB means series and sequence, that times I will tell about this all the formula and we will prove also here if it is required here. First, second and third here. Now you see here in numerator 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash n is equal to what? Sigma n tends to infinite here. And in the place of this one, we can write sigma n upon n square is equal to limit n tends to infinite. Sigma n means what? n plus 1 upon here 2 by n square. Now this is question. Understood? This is question. Is equal to limit n tends to infinite multiply n square plus n upon here 2n square. Then if types of n tends to infinite, we have two methods. First one, only put here n tends to 1 by y. Clear? 1 by y. Before this one I told you about this, n tends to 1 by y. Second method is only divide by maximum power of variable numbers, either it is in numerator or denominator. In numerator n square plus n, maximum power is here 2 in numerator. Denominator 2n square means n square n 2 here. So what is the maximum, greatest power, greatest degree of variable number, either in numerator or denominator? Then whole the term is whole the numerator and denominator divide by maximum power of variable number. It means numerator and denominator will be divided by n square. Then limit n tends to infinite and n square divided by n square plus n upon n square whole upon 2n square divided by n square. Cancel, this also cancel here, and limit n tends to infinite and 1 plus 1 by n upon here 2. At last we can put the value here. 1 plus 1 by infinite upon 2, 1 by infinity 0 will come, means 1 by 2. Now this is the value of this question. If this type formula or this type given, we can write this form. After that we can solve. Okay. Now going to give the homework question, because homework question are very important. Mention question I solve on the blackboard, means this board here. Now remaining questions given in homework question, please try to do. If not able to do, once more means 2-3 times you try in the copy. Now this is homework question. First of all, limit x tends to 0, x plus b upon cx plus d. Second, x tends to 5 minus. In this question, the place of x we can put 5 minus h. Limit x tends to 1 by 2, 4x square minus 1 upon 2x minus 1. In this question, we can factorize. After that, we can put the value. Limit x tends to 1, 1 minus x power minus 1 by 3, 1 minus x power minus 2 by 3. We can factorize, or we can write in the form of x power a minus x power a minus a power n upon x minus a. Limit x tends to a, under root x minus a, under root x minus under a upon x minus a. Then factorizable are multiply by conjugate of this one, this rising the factor. Limit x tends to 0, under root 1 plus x square, and here minus 1 upon x. Let's slice the numerator. limit x to infinite 4x minus 3 upon x plus 7. Very simple, divide by x means maximum power x. Limit x to n tends to infinite n cube by n power 4. In this question, very simple, n cube. N cube means we should write here sigma n cube. Clear? What is value of sigma n cube here? Write this formula here in the place. After that, we can solve here limit x tends to infinite under root x in bracket under x plus c minus 2x. First step we have to make fraction form. Fraction form means divide by 1. After that, multiply by conjugate of numerator in both numerator and denominator. After that, we can solve. Last one, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x power n minus 1 upon x. We can use this form also. We can write here 1 plus x power n is equal to what? 1 plus nx plus n minus 1 x square upon factorial 2 dash dash dash. Either we can make 1 plus x power n minus 1 here 1 plus x minus 1. This is form of this one, x power n minus a power n upon x minus a. Depend on you, whatever formula you know, whatever methods you know, you can apply in maximum questions, because so many questions I have given in the first, second and third video. Please, I request you, please complete all the questions. Don't miss your time, because don't think so my class is not going on. This is class. And maximum questions I have solved, and some questions, question 10 questions are given the homework questions. Please try to do all the questions. I will meet in the next video soon, and keep yourself and sound. Okay, thank you very much.